Hi, I'm Christian Manka. I've been hired to tell you what to do if you're stuck inside during a snowstorm. Now, one of the most important things to do is to try not to get stuck alone. Now, company is good for boredom, but the most important part of it is hunger. If you're starving and you're going to die, it's going to be time to draw straws. And now, our next topic is food. Now, you should probably ration it, or you're going to starve to death and have to eat one of your friends. But don't eat that entire pie in one sitting. Now, even more important than company and food is water, aqua, wetness. Now, you need this to survive. And if you're one of those people that says, well, I'm 80% water, I don't need it to survive, you're an idiot. Go back to 5th grade science class. And another really important thing to not do is eat snow. Don't do that. Your body will waste very precious energy trying to warm up that snow to make water. Again, 5th grade science class. Now, another important thing to have is warm clothing, like a jacket. In the winter, it's typically cold, unless you're from the south. In that case, visit during the fall, it's much better. But having a warm jacket is going to keep you warm. Your body can't do it itself, although most of the time it does. If you're stuck inside, it's going to be kind of cold, especially if you have your power out. Another really important thing, you need to get out. When you're stuck inside, you should work on getting out. Don't wait for somebody to save you. Nobody wants to save you. So always have a leaf blower with you on standby. Always, I'm serious. Don't ever not have one. It's like one of those things that you never leave the house without. It's very important. Now, if you really want to keep entertained, you should probably, well, as long as you have electricity, play your Xbox. We don't need to talk about PlayStation here, because if they have PlayStation, they deserve to be stuck in a snowstorm. But play your Xbox, man. Get Fallout 4, and freaking play Fallout 4. And that helpful tip for any survival situation, as long as you're stuck in somewhere, is to always go to the bathroom in the same corner. Always poop in the same place, because you don't want that smell filling up the air and suffocating you. That is how I would personally, and how you should, survive a snowstorm if you were stuck inside your house. Remember, always have company, which doubles as your second thing, food, and always have water, as well as a snowblower, an Xbox, and a place to poop. And that is where I leave you.